Hey guys, welcome back. Got a little Wood Mizer tech tip, repair, whatever you want to call it. Our EG100 here has another broke cable on it. Matthew's been dealing with it for 2 or 3 weeks, waiting on this part to get in. So we're going to cover changing this, why this broke, and we'll be right back. Okay guys, let's get a little work done here. It's early in the morning. We need to be sawing some wood, but we're doing maintenance. This is it's called a pawl cable for an EG100. You got your handle here. As you mash that, it releases the dogs down here to where we can adjust the width of the blade. This is a new one, and this is, the old broken one. And we're gonna stick it on there, and then I'll show you why this is breaking and what could be done better, hopefully, to fix it. So, okay, Matthew's gonna attach this end of the cable. Go ahead and put your nut on there this time. Not hard, just a bad place to get to. It's up over there. Where'd you put that wrench you brought? Here it is.
Come on. Just a mile of thread to put that thing on.
I stayed up here for a reason.
Yeah.
I did take it off though, in all fairness. Here's, while you're down there, there's your washer and cotter pin. Okay guys, Matthew's finishing that up. We gotta attach this end to the handle. All you do is you have to take one of your nuts loose. Slide your fitting in, put it over your pin there to hold it. And then I've got the same setup here he had underneath. Nut, I gotta get threaded all the way up on here. Now, as far as function, it functions real well. It's gonna break this cable, and until we re-engineer a little bit of what they originally designed, it's gonna continue to break cables. That's all you got. There's a nut that goes on here to hold that on, but as that cable is tensioned, it loosens the dogs down there so it'll move. Now here's the part that broke. See where it broke? It broke right there. Right as this cable goes into here, they've got too much angle. This should have been rotated forward. It's not pulling straight, it's actually pulling downhill, and it's causing undue tension. Yeah, it works, but it don't last because of that. Short of cutting this piece off and rebuilding it, changing this geometry, it's not gonna last any longer than the one we had on there did. Just bear in mind, it's one of those things. Somebody probably spit it out real quick on a CAD drawing one day. All that'll work. Well, Matthew and I put it through thousands of cycles and it don't last. It works, but it just don't last. Now what I've done is I've tried to lower the tension on this cable where it really don't start engaging until you get to the bottom. Hopefully a little less stress on the cable will make it last a little bit longer. Wrench there, please, Matthew. We're gonna give it a run. We'll see how long it lasts. Nothing. We didn't build it from new, so we're just working with what we got to work with. There you go. Just okay, guys, that's going to do it. You've seen us finish installing our pawl cable on our EG100. Right here is probably as much damage as anything. It's not well protected. You can hit it with a board. You can put your hand on it. So Matthew knows what it's like to be without this for 3 weeks. So I guarantee he's going to keep his hands off, and I'll try to keep my hands off of it. And we'll try not to hit it with a board. But that being said, guys, and this is particularly to Darryl Floyd, president of Wood Mizer. Things like this happen. It's just one of those things. Maybe it's something you could make an improvement on next year's model. Have them change this out. It works great, just kind of in the wrong location. We love Wood Mizer. We love their products. I mean, we're eat up with them, guys. We got a Wood Mizer mill. We got a Wood Mizer edger. We got a Wood Mizer kiln. We got a Wood Mizer sharpener and setter. We're already dreaming about our next mill upgrade. That'll be a big one. But anyway, that being said, we love their products, but I've told you, from the beginning, I don't pull no punches. This was an error, needs redesigned, refixed on the next model. You guys got any questions? Drop them in the comments below. I answer all the comments. Appreciate all the comments, even the few of the negative ones. Hey, bring them on. It don't matter. We're thick-skinned here. Don't forget, Matthew and Solomon get these videos out every Tuesday, Wednesday, Tuesday, Thursday, and Saturday, 5 p.m. Eastern time. That's going to do it. Quick and easy. Thanks, guys, for watching, and we'll see you back at the mill.
Thank you for watching. Here's a video selection and a playlist suggestion. Click here to subscribe for more great content. We'll see you at the mill.